Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting tips and tricks related on video converter. MiniTool is one of the best platforms to convert any format to any format with the help of MiniTool Video Converter option. Personally, this video I am targeting how to convert video to MP3 or one video format to another video format with the help of MiniTool Video Converter tool. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration on my laptop screen. So first of all, you need to open this platform. I already added this link in video description. MiniTool Video Converter 4.1 convert audio and video file within a minute. Support 1000 plus popular output format, batch video converter at once, and record computer screen activities without watermark. That one is really amazing. How many features they are introducing, we can see one by one. Free video converter and video recording as 4K original quality, convert to audio video devices. They are helping us convert between 1000 plus format. Especially I am targeting 4K, FHD, HD, MP4, MOV, MKV, AVI and much more format is available here. Apart from that, here the all format related information, how to do other format. So you should apply this platform as well. Batch file also you can provide at a time multiple videos to convert as a MP3 or convert as a different format. So batch file is supportable. Fast converting speed and high quality videos. Now we can just simply download the software.
Once you click on the download button, it is a downloading setup. You can click on here video converter. So now MiniTool Video Converter is ready for the installation. So now it is time. Click on the installation now button. Ready to use this application. How this application is give the performance. First just click on the start button now. First time it is taking some time for the initialization process and self configuration. Once it is done, these types of the environment coming in front of you. Now you can just look out here. The MiniTools Video Converter is ready for the convert your video, download your video and screen recorder. Three options we have available here. We can convert video. Just click on these options. And here you can just look out here. First option is by default open here. So video converter is ready for the converting, but we need to add here file, drag and drop file need to here. Just click on this plus icon, go to the specific directory where your video is available. For example, I am creating one video. This is a MiniTool Video Converter. First I am show you the property of this video. It is the details of video and it is showing the extension. This is a item type is a MP4. Okay, so now we are convert this video various different format. So now it is time, just click on this MP4 video. It is loading. Now it is time to MiniTools Video Converter is showing the exact details about this video. Yes, it is a MP4. It is the size of that video. This is the resolutions. It is a high definition video. Total duration of this video length. Okay, now it is time to change the conversions. What option we have available here? 4 options is available here. Recently not showing anything, that's why we first check the video. So now I can just show you the one demo purpose conversion MP4 to MOV. Okay, and now this video convert in the 4K video. Now just double click on that and now it is extension is changed. Now it is time to click on the convert button. And it is taking some time for convert in the MP4 to MOV in a 4K resolutions. Conversion it is finally done. Now it is time to open that specific file in specific location. So you can just check out here. This is a MiniTool conversion. It is showing here the extension. Then this is the resolution and this is the size of the file and this is the duration of length. So just open that. Now it is time to run that file. So it is completely convert in the different format and we can just check the exact extension. Go to the property, right click on that and then we can go to the property. Look out here. This is the X and Y frame resolutions. It is showing here. And now we go down and check the video extension, means conversion of that file. So this way you can just convert your video in the different format. So very interesting application and more information I can just explore here. This is one of the options. Now it is time for the overview this MiniTools conversion application video converter, and here we are converted file. It is showing here. We are selecting, fetching that file. It is looking here. After the conversion, it is showing here. So this is the two options, be remember.
This is one of the outstanding platform to convert video as a different format. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.